Hi and welcome. My name is Erin, and here on my channel, I show you how to create your very own bath and beauty products. So let's go ahead and get started with this week's video. On today's video, I'll be showing you how to create your very own perfume. I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process and how to make it, and I'm also going to share with you the formula that I used. To create this perfume, the very first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and weigh out some caprylic triglycerides. This is a carrier oil, and it does not leave the skin feeling greasy. It's a very lightweight oil. And I like using this in perfumes because one, it doesn't have an odor to it like other carrier oils. And two, it has a very long shelf life, so it won't go rancid. You're also going to notice that this ingredient is going to allow the scent of the perfume to be evenly distributed on the skin. Unlike most perfumes that you make at home, this is not going to dry your skin out, but rather it's going to be very moisturizing for the skin. And that is because this formula only uses oils. And the next oil that I'm going to go ahead and weigh out into my beaker is called jojoba oil. Now, this mimics the natural sebum that our body produces. It's very skin friendly, and it will help to really ensure that the fragrance lasts longer. Next, I'm going to add my fixative, and it is benzoin. This is a resin, and it's going to give the perfume a very warm and vanilla-like scent to it, but it's also going to help ensure that the scent of the perfume lasts longer on the skin. Once my fixative has been added, I'm going to continue to develop the fragrance that I want for this perfume. And I'm going to go ahead and add some geranium essential oil. This is a very complex essential oil because it has a lot of different scents all combined into this one oil. And so it has a very floral and rosy scent, as well as a very citrusy and minty scent too. But yet it also has almost an earthy undertone to it. The next essential oil that I'm adding is rose essential oil. This is going to be another floral scent for this perfume. Now, I know that this particular essential oil is pretty expensive, so I will go ahead and go over some substitution options for you later on in this video. Last but not least, I'm going to go ahead and add some cedarwood essential oil. This has a very strong, woody scent. And when mixed together with the vanilla and the florals, it's really just going to make a lovely blend. To create a very balanced fragrance in this perfume, I'm just going to go ahead and stir really well. And this will help to ensure that everything is blended nicely. So now it's time. I'm just going to go ahead and pour everything into my perfume bottle. This is not only going to have just a lovely scent, but it's going to have a lot of wonderful skin benefits as well. So this particular formula will make about 2 ounces of perfume. Once I have my perfume in my bottle, I'm going to allow this to sit and rest for 2 weeks. And why I'm doing this is because it will allow all of the different ingredients that I use to blend and mature, leaving me with a really wonderful balanced fragrance at the end. These are some substitutions that I would say would be good in this perfume. Instead of caprylic triglycerides, use isopropyl maestrate. For the jojoba oil, use either almond oil or safflower oil. For the benzoin, a good option is myrrh essential oil. For the geranium essential oil, I have found that yang yang essential oil worked really well here. Now, for the rose essential oil, because it is so expensive, rose geranium essential oil will give you a very similar end scent. And then for the cedarwood essential oil, cypress essential oil is good. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.